soon as I stop worrying how my story ends, I let go and I let God have His way. That's when things started happening, and I started looking at them. I let go and I let God. I let God have it. Let go and let God. 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 Sister, let go and let God. Yeah, let go and let God. Brother, just let go and let God. Oh, let go. You better let God. He'll do it for you. Just let God, like He did it for me. So let God. All you need to do is trust Him and let God. Let go and let God. He'll work it out, I know. Let God. He'll change your life, I know. And let God. All you need to do is believe in His word. Let God. Let go, yeah. And let God. Let go. Let go of the pain. Let go. Let go of the struggle. Let go. And let God. Let go. Let God. He can do it for you, 'cause He did it for me. He can change your life, I know, 'cause He did it for me. So I'm encouraging you.